How to connect my MetaMask to the Opensea marketplace. While Ethereum has been sold for several years, NFTs derived from the Ether technology only truly became mainstream in 2021. Websites like Opensea are becoming more popular as people buy and look for NFTs. Before buying one, however, you'll need a cryptocurrency wallet such as MetaMask. Creating a MetaMask wallet and account isn't enough, as you'll have to connect it to your Opensea account too. Welcome guys to another video of NFT Network, and if you're also searching for how to connect your MetaMask wallet to Opensea Marketplace, make sure to stick to the end of the videos so that you can find out all the details you need to know. What is MetaMask? MetaMask is a cryptocurrency wallet, but it's also a web browser extension that you can use with Google Chrome or other Chromium-based browsers. Brave and Microsoft Edge are two excellent examples. Aaron Davis founded it with the help of a blockchain company called Consensus and released MetaMask to get the general public in 2016. Since then, it has gained over 1 million users. Unlike some cryptocurrency wallets, MetaMask specializes in Ethereum and other ETH-based tokens. Thus, you should have no problem purchasing and storing Ethereum and related cryptocurrencies. Setting up MetaMask wallet. The first step in the process is downloading and installing MetaMask for your browser. No matter the browser, the steps should be identical. Step 1. On your preferred browser, download the official MetaMask extension from metamask.io. Step 2. Install and enable the extension and click on Get Started. Step 3. Select Create a Wallet to continue and choose whether to send your MetaMask data or not. Step 4. Here you have to create and confirm a secure password for your MetaMask wallet by entering it twice. Step 5. Write down your backup 12-word passphrase and make sure you keep it somewhere safe, because if some had access to the phrase, the person might be able to steal all your funds and you would not be able to retrieve your funds from the MetaMask wallet. Step 6. At last, confirm your backup phrase, select All Done, and log in automatically. At this point, you can leave and come back later if you decide to wait before purchasing some Ethereum. If you somehow get logged out, you only have to click on the MetaMask icon to the right of your URL bar to re-access your account. To buy, sell, or trade for NFTs on Opensea, you'll need to access to a cryptocurrency wallet such as MetaMask. The main currency on Opensea is Ethereum, but other currencies are also supported. You'll need to have some Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet before you can create an Opensea account. To buy some Ethereum, you'll have to sign up for an account on a cryptocurrency exchange platform like Coinbase. By connecting your MetaMask wallet to the platform, you can receive your new Ethereum. Many of you might be wondering, what is Opensea? For them, Opensea is the first decentralized NFT marketplace available, founded by Alex Atala and Devin Finzer in January 2018. They decided that the world was ready for an NFT marketplace. The marketplace wasn't a household name until 2021, when NFTs exploded in popularity and notoriety. Buying and selling on Opensea is highly secure, and you don't even have to trust the other party. If you pay, you get the NFT. Signing up for Opensea with MetaMask. Signing up for Opensea is done by connecting your MetaMask to another cryptocurrency wallet to the website. You can't make an account before signing up for a wallet, which is why you have to follow these instructions later. Step 1. First of all, you will need to go to the Opensea website by clicking opensea.io. Step 2. Then click on the profile icon at the top right of the web page. Step 3. Now you have to select the MetaMask option from the wallet list to link the MetaMask wallet you have to the Opensea. Step 4. Finally, click on Next and add your email address, username, and more and save it. You can always change your details later, such as profile picture, username, and other parts of your Opensea profile. After connecting your MetaMask wallet to Opensea, you can browse the marketplace. Opensea neatly divides NFTs into specific categories. Browsing by price is also possible if you're on a budget. When buying an NFT, you'll also need the gas costs that come with all purchases. Gas costs or gas fees are an amount you pay to keep the Ethereum network running. Transactions will often state how much the gas fees are before you pay. Opensea also has apps for iOS and Android. The caveat is you can't buy NFTs from the app. you can only browse. To buy NFTs, you'll have to log into your account on a computer first. A potential reason is that Apple and Google will take a cut of any purchases made in apps on their app stores. Another is that Ethereum isn't supported on either platform. Feel free to share this tutorial with somebody who may find it helpful. Let us know about any doubts of yours in the comment section below, and make sure to hit the video and subscribe to the channel so that we can bring some more amazing content to you. Till then, stay tuned.